Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy chamoy. First, gather your ingredients like unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, water, and your favorite chamoy sauce. Make sure you have gummy molds ready, along with a saucepan and a whisk. Precision in measuring is key for the best texture and flavor, so have your measuring cups and spoons handy. To begin, bloom your unflavored gelatin by sprinkling it over 1/2 cup of cold water in a saucepan. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it softens. In a separate pot, gently heat 1 cup of sugar with 1/2 cup of water, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. Then, add the bloomed gelatin mixture to the warm sugar water, stirring until smooth. Now it's time to add the star ingredient, chamoy. Stir in about 1/4 cup of chamoy sauce into your warm gelatin mixture. You can also add a dash of lime juice or a pinch of chili powder for extra zing. Taste and adjust the chamoy to your preference. Once mixed, carefully pour the warm liquid into your prepared gummy molds, filling each cavity evenly. After filling your molds, place them in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours, or until the gummies are completely firm. Once set, gently pop each gummy out of its mold. For an extra layer of flavor, you can optionally toss your finished chamoy gummies in a mixture of Tajin seasoning and a little extra sugar. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.